from planet. You don't come from planet. She deep now, my Bex, brother.
The Bex for that.
Man, I watch a video on Facebook, you know.
Yeah.
And I saw a boy in there, man, got bail dead man, them, you know.
Why?
And I said that boy, they a batty boy, you know.
Batty boy.
Batty man, that brother. That's why I make sure I bail before me dead. Because I not got no man, and bail.
Come like you read me, man. I see him thing I said to you that.
You know, long me I call a boy for money. A boy like him want grow on the thing.
If you made me, see him to me there thing.
Yo, that batty man ever call me, man. So I got 500,000 and man. Every minute man call me, I want to look for 500,000. Every minute man call me, man. They can block him?
Block him here.
Yeah, man, block him because I don't want him to call me, brother.
My brother no answer him phone.
Make sure you say block him, you know.
I get black money, I get a hard lick to him black.
In black?
Black.
He can't call me.
Can't right now yet with the bus.
My brother, actually no know me I pay money for buy chicken back later, no brother. The man no answer him phone, man.
Yo, like, as a matter of fact, I cut you know, like, I'm going to buy ice cream over here.
Hey, I buy one chocolate to you.
Alright, listen. The man is a call me. Like say, I owe him money. Just show me have $500,000 for you. I mean, say I owe you nothing, you know, if you call me.
Yo, I say anyway, I see that boy, you know, man. Yeah, you know. Yeah.
I think long belly get one ice cream. So I need have the money.
So now boy, yo, take him up and send him money. Yo, send him money. Me no long time.
But wait,
send him money.
Ryan just black. Yo, Ryan! No! Brother, yo, my phone. Ask you a question. Why when me tell you if you do something, you know do it?
What we do wrong now?
Oh, you black man, I'm still a see. The man still talking now.
More money.
Right. The man still talking now. Oh, if black man, I'm tell you something, not the man call me, man still call me, brother.
All on your phone. Oh, me did block him. But me never remove him.
Okay. You don't come from planet. You don't come from planet. You don't come from planet. You can't come to here and you in a such a pretty car and I have $20.